Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today. Almost weekend today on Friday, March the 8th, 2024. It's today also International Women's Day. In today's newspaper, we have three regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the 3 stars, the 4 star Sudoku, and the killer Sudoku. We have also in this newspaper an additional with extra puzzles. Let me show you the extra puzzles. The letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have also 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with a 1 star. In Dutch they call it cipher block, in Japanese Suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening. But first, these 3 regular puzzles. And the first one I will do is the 3 stars Sudoku. The 3 stars Sudoku number 8149. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26. Yeah, 26. Wow. 26 printed digits. And usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25 printed digits. And for 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Well, it's actually 1 digit more here, so it should be a 2 stars. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes. Question is this a 2 stars or a 3 stars puzzle? We will see, so let's get started. Well, we have here 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have 1 in this row, no 1 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left with 1 in this big square should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing, the 4 to 5. 6 is missing, 3 and 6. 3 and 6. We have a 6 in this column, the second column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright, 4 in this row, 4 in the third row, so the row between the second row. The only place left with 4 is should be there. And 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number in this row is number 3. We have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. So the 3 in this row could be here, could be there, here or there. We see another 3 in the middle column, so no 3 there. 3 should be there. Then let me see, 5. Need a 9 here. Need a 1 here. And I need a, well, we have a pair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers in this big square. Two of those missing numbers are the 1 and a 3. We have a 1 and a 3 in this column, so no 1 and 3 in these 3 boxes. We have also 1 and a 3 in the third row, so no 1 and a 3 in those 3 boxes. So 2 boxes left in this big square. The 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, as a pair. All right. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. So we have 3 in the third row, 3 in one of those 2 boxes in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left with 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in the second column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3, 7. Then 5, and 6 here, 1. 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above, so that row, the only 2 places left with 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 and 3, we have a 1 now in this column, so no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next, so last column, the only place left with 3 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the last column, so the column between the only 2 places left with the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4, it should be there. Then 5. How about the 9? Yeah. 6 and a 2. 6 and a 2. Well. 9, 9. Need a 9 here. Need a 5. 5 in this row. 5 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left of the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in the last column, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 in that box, so 1 box left for the 9 in this big square. Should be there. 9, 9, okay. Now 7, and I need a 6 here, and I need a 2 there. Interesting. Well. How about 2 and the 6? Let me think. Come on. Need a 7 here. Need a 6 there. Need a 7 there. Need a 3 in the third column, 3 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. So we have 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in the middle row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 3. Well. And now I need to think. Need an 8 here. Need a 4 there. Need a 9 here. One, 2, 3, 6, 8, 9. 6, 8, 9. 6. Need a 6 there. 8 and a 9. Let me think. 7 in this row. 7 in that row. So the row between and the middle row. The only place left for the 7 should be there. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this column. No 7 in these 3 boxes. So the 7 in this big square could be here. Could be there. Need a 7 here. Need a 6 there. Need a 2 there. Alright. Come on. I need a 7 here. And I need a 7 there. Yep. Well. We have here 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 7. We have a 7 in this column, so no 7 in this box. We have a 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the third row, so no 7 in that box. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the first row, 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the third row, so the row between the only 3 places left, 7 should be here, and there. We see a 7 in the first column, no 7 there. We see a 7 in the third column, so no 7 there, so the only place left for the 7 should be there. Alright. 6, 8, and 5. 6, 8, and 5, 6, 8. Yeah. Need an 8, need a 5, need a 2. 8, 5, 2, 8, 5, 2. Yeah, I'm still thinking. Well. Need a 8 there. Need a 6 there. Interesting. 6 and a 2. Need a 2. Come on, where's the 2? 2, 2, 2, 2. 2, 2, 2, 2. Need a 6 there. Yeah. One of these 4 missing numbers in this column is a 4. You need a 4 in this column. Here can be 4, we have 4 in this row, no 4 there. Here can be 4, we have 4 in the middle row, no 4 there. And here can be a 4, we have 4 in this row, so no 4 there. So the only place left for the 4 in this column should be down. Alright. So we have a 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the middle column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 9 should be there. Then. 9 in this column, 9 in the last column. So the column 3, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9. Well, 2 and 6. How about here, the 6 and the 8? 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8 and the 5. 5, 5. Six. Need a 6 here. Yep. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this row, so no 6 in this box. So the 6 in this big square could be here, could be there. So we have a 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 6 will be here or there. We have a 6 in one of those 2 boxes in this middle column. So no 6 there. 6 should be there. 7. Need a 2 here. Alright. 4 in this column, 4 in that column, so the column 3. In the middle column, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the middle row, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row above, below. The only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the first column, no 4 there, 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can't see. Digital material 4. 128, 128, 1. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 1. We have a 1 in the middle column, so no 1 there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. So the only place left for the 1 should be there. Okay. 2, 6, 7. Here we have 2 missing numbers. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7, 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. That means 1 digit left in this column. I believe the 7. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. Uh, 2 and 8. Here, so 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, 2 and 8, 2 and 8. So here we have a pair. That means we have 1 number left in this column for number, I believe 9, yeah, 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So last row, the row below, the only place left for the 9 should be here. 9 in this column, 9 in the second column, so in the third column, the only 2 places left for 9 should be here. Or there, we have a 9 in the second row, no 9 there, 9 should be here. Okay. Need a 7 here. 2 and a 6. 7, need a 9, need a 4, need a 3. Yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in the second column, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. We have a 1 in the middle row, no 1 in those 2 boxes. A 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there. And all the ones are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 1. 2, 8, and the 5 is missing here. 2 and 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. We have a 2 in this second row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 5 goes there. 2 and 8. We have a 2 now in the middle row, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 and 8. We have a 2 now in this row, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes and there. Then, well, 2 and a 6. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4, 5 is missing. 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 8 in the middle row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 5 goes there. 1 box left in the second column for the number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here also 6 and the 8. Then 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the column between the middle column, no, only 2 places left. The 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row. Last row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. And I've eliminated here the 6, so the 6 goes and there. 2 in this row, 2 in the last row, so the row between. Only place left. The 2 should be there. 2 in the last column, 2 in that column, so the column between. The only 2 places left. The 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the first row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 1 box left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and 7. We have 7 in this column, no 7 there. 6, 7 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 6 or an 8. We have a 6 now in this column, so no 6 here. This should be an 8, and that box should be a 6. And 1 box left in this big square. 4 number 8. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have 5 in the last column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers I've marked with a 7. We have a 7 now in this column, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 8 in the third row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Finish in 19 minutes. Wow. Definitely a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 20. I'm faster than 20 minutes. Yeah. Not faster than 15 minutes, otherwise it will be 1 star. So it's definitely a 2 stars puzzle. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 2 regular puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.